Hey guys, I am making this little video for any family and friends who are curious about my new apartment in Seoul. I just moved, and for the first time since I've been here, I found my own apartment rather than living in the school provided housing that people usually live in when they teach English. So when you first come in all Korean apartments, you have to take your shoes off. There's like a little dip in the floor where you leave shoes. It's pretty intense. If you walk into my house with your shoes on, it's like a big deal. About 95% of Korean apartments have a code entry, so there's no key. Here's my kitchen. I have a massive sink, love it. And the stove has 3 burners, which is a lot for a small Seoul apartment. Usually they only have like 2. Oh, look how cute my table is. I own all the furniture that you see. I had to buy everything. Oh, there's my oven. Because when you live in the like school provided housing, they give you all the furniture. But this time I had to buy my own. Here's my big old bathroom. In Korean bathrooms, you have to wear the slippers like this because the floor is wet because basically the whole bathroom is the shower. You'll notice that it's like not really separated. I've got like that glass wall that kind of separates it, but yeah, there's just like a drain in the middle of the bathroom and the shower water goes down the drain. I also have like a little not very exciting laundry room next to the bathroom. It has 2 bedrooms. One is like a full bedroom. This is where I sleep. And the other one is like my office. So this is my bedroom. All my K-pop albums. This is the office or like the small second bedroom. So I keep all my clothes in here. It's like a dressing room. Um, it's pretty cool. I get ready in here in the morning with my big mirror. And I also have my desk and computer in here and some random other stuff. And then you'll see there's like what appears to be a window, but it's actually not really a window because out here is my big old walk-in closet where I store basically everything I don't want people to see. And last but not least, this is the view of Lotte Tower from the roof of my apartment building. I'm on the 5th floor, so it's right above me.